The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is one of the best smartwatches you can buy today, in part because of its excellent health and fitness tracking tools. According to a new report, the Galaxy Watch 5 will add a skin thermometer to the package. Before we begin our today's video, please tell us from which country you guys are watching our today's video from. We love reading your comments. So guys, according to ET News, Samsung will be shipping the Galaxy Watch 5 later this year with support for a skin thermometer, in part due to COVID-19's impact on the wearables industry. Samsung and Apple, for that matter, reportedly have held back on releasing a skin thermometer due to external factors such as ambient temperature, heat generated when exercising, and the heat that comes by standing in sunlight. Apparently, Samsung has prepared a new technology that will allow Galaxy Watch 5 to measure body temperature as accurately as possible, perhaps using a type of infrared thermometer. Apparently, Samsung will be using infrared technology to put a thermometer in its Galaxy Buds, though it's not entirely clear if that feature will make it to a consumer release at this point. Apparently, a prototype of Galaxy Buds that get body temperature from the eardrums has been completed, but Samsung is considering a release date. This report also mentions directly that the Galaxy Watch 5 will be released in August, right in line with its predecessor. The Galaxy Watch 4 was announced on August 11th and released to customers on August 27th. If Samsung is indeed following the same pattern this year, it stands to reason that we'll see Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 around the same time. So guys, I hope you liked our today's video. If you really did, then smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.